Day here across central Indiana. We had sunny skies, very comfortable temperatures, and after a cool start to the day this morning, we saw a nice warm up this afternoon. Now we're watching Hurricane Milton right now, Category 5 storm. Water temperatures in the southwestern Gulf are about 88 degrees, so that storm is getting stronger, and that's why it gained so much strength overnight, now moving up to a Category 5 storm. Top winds are 180 miles per hour, gusting up to 225 miles per hour, 675 miles southwest of Tampa, but it's moving that way, moving to the east at 10 miles per hour. We expect it to stay a very strong storm as it moves across the warm waters of the Gulf and make landfall Wednesday night into Thursday morning as a Category 3 storm with winds around 125 miles per hour. Well, there's been a few Category 5 storms formed so far over the course of the Atlantic Basin season. We've had 42 of them. The 1935 Labor Day hurricane made landfall in Texas. In '69, Camille ravaged Mississippi, and we had two hit Florida in 1992, Andrew, and in 2018, Michael came ashore as a Category 5 hurricane. Category 5 hurricane, 158 miles per hour or more. This has been a very active season in the Atlantic Basin. We've already had 4 hurricanes make landfall here in the U.S. Now number 5 is on the way. Meanwhile, here at home, high pressure gave us fair skies and northwest winds coming in today. We got off to a cool start this morning. We started out with a morning low at 47, but we warmed up to 71 this afternoon. We're at 71 right now in the sunshine, a northwest wind at 10, and the air is very dry. Humidity's only at 38%. So far this month is off to a mild start. Our temperatures have been running about 5 degrees above the norm. The average high temperature is now falling, and by the end of the month we drop about 10 degrees down to an average high temperature at 60. For the next 4 days, we're going to keep our high temperatures in the 70s, slightly above the norm here in central Indiana, and we'll have a nice cool night tonight down to a low temperature in the 40s. For your day tomorrow, we'll get a full day of sunshine across the area, and we'll see the high temperature in the 70s again for tomorrow afternoon. And the 7-day forecast will keep our high temperature in the 70s with sunshine for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. A little warmer on Saturday, the high at 81, then a little cooler on Sunday with a high at 77, then much cooler on Monday with a high at